Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mini get ready with me video. So I did my makeup and I was like, you know what? Let me film this today. The shoes are from Charlotte Russe from years ago. This jumpsuit is from Opali. I love this store right now. Every piece that I've gotten from them fits my body perfectly. It's not see-through. Yeah, if you guys want to see the full outfit, go check out my Instagram. The last two outfits are from Opali. But anyways, this bra thingy is from Aerie. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys, it's the products that I put in my hair before I retouched it. And this is very important because this is why I think my curls came out perfect. So I'm going to share with you guys what I used in my hair. So I used the Bumble and Bumble clarifying shampoo. Then I did the Curlific texture treatment. I used the Crece Pelo as a leave-in and my Wetline Extreme Gel, the blue one. But for this video, I'm just retouching, so I'm just going to add some water. I'm going to spray some water in my hair and then add a little bit of the clear Wetline Extreme Gel. So I'm having a little bit of issues with my hair right now where if I would have parted my hair down the middle, I have like this, my right side or my left side, whatever side, it's just not curling properly. And I know I just have to cut it off because it's from previous heat damage. It's like this one piece, and I think I'm gonna cut my hair into layers and call it a day because that's why I did this hairstyle because I needed something to get my hair out of my face and hide the hair that wasn't curling properly. So I did this little twist thingy and then I'm gonna pin it down with some bobby pins. I'm twisting away from my face too while I'm doing it, as you can see, obviously. But I also had just started doing this hairstyle more for work because it's really a low manipulation hairstyle and you don't have to like it's not gonna cause damage to your hair because it's not like a super tight ponytail or anything. It's just a little piece of your hair that you're clipping to the side and it looks good. And even if your hair is like wet, you could do this too and you'll be fine. It won't cause damage. I used white bobby pins in this video because I couldn't find black ones, but it worked out anyways because my jumpsuit is like a cream color. So it didn't look bad, but I would have preferred to use black bobby pins. And what I do is I just like crisscross them and the bobby pins don't move at all. I did my baby hairs with a little bit of gel. And that's it. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.